Hey everyone. So in this video today, I'm going to explain to you how to forgive in the fastest possible way. You see, a lot of the time we stay stuck where we are because we can't forgive what's happened to us. Now, I've come from a lot of things that I have needed to forgive, okay? I've gone through a lot of things in my life, and if you stick on this YouTube channel, you will see and hear some stories around what I've been through. And if you knew what I'd been through, you'd be like, oh my God, how are you even functioning right now? Or how are you even one little bit happy? But I am, because I've learnt the tools, to heal myself, change my reality, manifest the things that I want, all the things. And I've learned to look at life in a different way as well. But today's the topic of forgiveness. And the fastest way you can get to forgiveness is this. And this channeled through me the other day when I was doing some journaling, and it was like, just boom, this is how you heal quickly, right? Because forgiveness, like I said, it keeps us stuck and it keeps us in blame, in victim and poor me. This happened to me, blah, 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 whatever. And the fastest way you can forgive everything that's happened in your life is to adopt the belief that you create everything in your life, right? Now, so if you create everything in your life, now this could be a big concept to grasp, so you may not be ready to hear it, but I'm going to deliver it anyway, and I want to know your thoughts, so let me know in the comments. But what it's about is, if you are the creator of your reality, you've created everything. So how can anything be done to you? Right? Now, this could be hard for some people, but for me, the penny dropped, and I'm like, if I created it all, then it's not actually people doing it to me. It's just my perceptions. So now I can start to change the perceptions and change the beliefs, so those things do not continue to keep happening to me, right? So they weren't doing things to me. It's what I was actually manifesting in my life due to what I believed, right? Because from 0 to 7 is when all our programs are getting programmed in, right? All our belief systems, we're making meanings of everything, of what's happening to us, and then we create these belief systems, and then from 7 onwards, we just keep recreating the same thing over and over and over and over and over and over again. So have you noticed, like, you might attract the same relationship, the same boss, the same job with the same job issues, the same relationship with the same relationship issues, money issues, like it's the same thing. You're like, oh my God, this is like Groundhog Day every day. That's because your belief systems are in place and they're recreating it all the time, and it's being projected out on the 3D, and that's what you're seeing back, okay? So to forgive fast and just let that be in the past, because who doesn't want that? Who wants to hold on to all this anguish and feeling like a victim and anger and resentment and, shouldn't have done this to me, all that stuff, because that's a lower frequency, right? On the vibrational frequency scale, that is a much lower frequency. And we don't want to sit there. We want to sit in joy, appreciation, love. Like, come on, who doesn't, right? Let me know if you want to sit in the more joy, love, bliss, expansion, all those yummier feeling emotions, right? We want to sit up there. But if we're holding on to resentment, we're sitting in those lower, hate, anger, frustration, all of that kind of thing, which is not a nice energy to be in. So the point of my video is to help raise you quickly into that higher frequency. And the way to do that is to look at, well, hang on a minute. If I created everything, then they didn't actually do anything to me. It was my thoughts about what was happening that were being reflected back like a mirror to me. Does that make sense? And so when you adopt that belief, poof, it shifts, because you go, no one did anything to me. There's nothing to forgive. There's no person to forgive. There's no situation to forgive. There's no circumstance to forgive. Like, nothing needs forgiving because I created it. Okay? So even if you fully don't believe it, if that belief comes in and it clears everything for you, would you not take on that belief? Or would you take on that belief? You know what I'm saying? So I hope this has made sense. And let me know if it has. And let me know if you have any questions. I'm happy to chat to you about this and open up a conversation about this, because this is really, really, really mind-blowing. And it can help you heal fast and forgive fast, because you're the creator. You have belief systems. You created it, so nothing was done to you. Now I want to create something different. Now I want to create, so say if it was, for example, people treating you badly, you want to go, oh, okay, that's because I was treated badly in childhood by a parent or a friend or a teacher, whatever it is. But now I'm going to start to adopt the belief that people always treat me with respect and gently and whatever it is that you want. So you might have, so let's go. So one belief, the negative belief is people treat me badly. And then the new belief you want to adopt is people are so nice to me. People respect me. People are so kind to me and caring and thoughtful and considerate. All the things that you want. I don't know what it is that you want. Let me know in the comments. I would love to know what you want. To the opposite of what you're creating, and focus there. And look, it's not going to be an overnight process. I'm not going to say tomorrow you wake up and just because you've said a few affirmations, it's going to be fine. No, you're going to have to keep repeating that for 30 to 60 to 90 days until it becomes an automatic program. And then you will start to see it in your 3D reality automatically, because that's what you are creating and seeing through your new belief system. All right. So let me know if it's been helpful. Make sure you like the video so I know you liked it and I can bring you more of this. Subscribe, hit the bell notification so you're notified of upcoming videos and readings that I do. And I love having you all here, and I'll chat to you all soon.